Welcome to a new text solutions video. Today I will teach you how to overline in Word. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is open a Word document. Then we'll click on Insert and look for the Equation button on the right. Next, we will locate the Accent button. From the options, we will click on the one that says Overbars. Now, we will click on the highlighted box and then we will click on the option that says AB Text. Then we will click on Home and we'll be able to choose the font size and type. Finally, we'll just need to start typing and that's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.